Solar energy to energize agriculture sector of India. Solar energy is the most important source of energy for life types. It's a renewable supply of energy, unlike non-renewable sources like fossil fuels. Solar energy technologies use the sun's energy to light homes, to operate water pumps on farms, etc. Installing solar panels on your house helps fight greenhouse gas emissions and reduces our collective dependence on fossil fuel. Imagine the production of gigawatts of solar power for a whole sector, the most important sector in a country like ours. The agriculture sector is the bigger employer in India. Solar power can save lots of pollution, which generally uses fossil fuels to be used for power generation. Solar energy is the most important renewable energy source with the potential to fulfill lots of the world's challenges. There are various reasons to promote the share of solar energy in the energy marketplace. The solar energy power source is growing in popularity as it's flexible and benefits people and the environment. Indian agriculture sector mostly depriving of power. You talk to a farmer, and he will start penning out his pain of non-availability of power in crucial cropping times, and then the extra burden of using ever-expensive fossil fuel like diesel to run water pumps and other types of farm equipment. In a big push for the adoption of solar energy in the Indian agri-economy, the government plans to set aside 20,000 crore under a new scheme to solarize agricultural feeders. This means government is trying to use solar energy and other renewable energy sources to make sufficient power to be used specifically for the agriculture sector. Sharing the details while speaking at Economic Times Energy Leadership Summit 2021, Union Minister for Power and Renewable Energy R.K. Singh said, "In the new scheme we are coming out with, which will be put before the cabinet soon, we are setting aside 20,000 crore for agricultural feeders which we will solarize." Singh added, "The cost of solarization, generation of solar energy, will be met by agricultural subsidy by respective states." He also said that 110 gigawatts (GWs) of capacity would have to be installed to solarize the entire agricultural sector. Singh, meanwhile, also shared that the government is setting up a 10 gigawatts renewable energy park in Ladakh and that the power evacuation survey for the project has been completed. He said that the construction activity for the solar energy project would begin by year-end. The minister added, "We will also export power generated from this solar energy project, which would increase the region's revenues." This solar energy project of the Indian government will surely help the Indian agriculture sector, depriving of power, electricity, for a long time. Dedicated use of this power for the agriculture sector will ensure enough power for our farmers. This solar energy project of the Indian government will surely help the Indian agriculture sector, depriving of power, electricity, for a long time. Dedicated use of this power for the agriculture sector will ensure enough power for our farmers. We at the Farm Pure are glad to bring positive news about the farming sector to our readers and subscribers.